Isang aklat ng Roman Catholic Church na sinulat ni Jose Mario Bautista Maximiano. Ang pamagat ay The Beginning and the End. Dito ay sinasabi kung sino ang ama ng Big Bang Theory. At buong pagmamalaking inamin, mga kaibigan at mga kapatid, na ang ama ng Big Bang Theory ay isang Catholic priest. The father of Big Bang Theory is a Catholic priest. That believer was a Roman Catholic priest and a Belgian cosmologist by the name of Father Georges Lemaitre, 1894 to 1966. Father Georges Lemaitre, father of Big Bang Theory.